Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Play and signing into the account you want to credit. Make sure it's the right profile. Next, tap your profile icon, then choose Payments and Subscriptions. Once you're in, select Redeem Code to reveal the entry field. You should have the 16-character code in front of you. Type it exactly, uppercase letters and digits included. If you don't see Redeem immediately, scroll the menu. It's there under Payments or Account Options. Now you enter the code into the field and review the on-screen confirmation. This step prevents accidental redemptions. You'll see the dollar amount or credit described before you confirm, so pause to verify the destination account. After that, tap Redeem and accept any terms. Google may prompt for a password or two-step confirmation if security is active. Once accepted, the balance updates immediately, but make sure to refresh your payment. Finish by checking your updated balance under Payment Methods or Account to confirm funds are available for purchases. If you can't redeem, double-check every character. Zeros versus O and ones versus L are common mistakes. Also verify the account region matches where the code is valid, because region-locked codes won't apply. If you still see an error that the code is invalid or already redeemed, reach out to Google Play support with your purchase receipt. They can trace redemption history and help resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.